In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check recent players on Steam quickly and easily. This is super useful if you just finished a match and want to find someone you played with, add a teammate, report a player, or simply review who was in your game. Whether you're inside a game right now or using the Steam desktop client, I'll walk you through both methods step by step. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Steam guides just like this one. Let's get straight into it. First, let's look at the in-game method using the Steam overlay. While you're inside a game, press Shift and Tab on your keyboard to open the Steam overlay. This overlay gives you quick access to Steam features without leaving your game. Once the overlay opens, look toward the bottom left window and click on Game Overview. This section is where Steam shows important details about the game you're currently playing. From there, look for the Player section. In this area, Steam displays recent players you've matched with or interacted with in that game session. You can use this list to find usernames, check profiles, or remember who you played with. If you don't see the exact player you're looking for right away, take a moment to scroll through the list and review the names carefully. This is the fastest way to check recent players while you're still in the game or right after a match ends. Now let's go over the second method using the Steam desktop client. If you're already back on your computer and not in-game, open Steam normally. At the top menu bar, click View, then select Players. This will bring up a list of recent players associated with your recent activity on Steam. It's a simple built-in feature that makes it easy to revisit people you recently played with, especially if you want to add them as friends or check their profiles later. Depending on your recent matches and games, Steam may show a variety of player names here, so be sure to look through the list carefully. If you're trying to reconnect with someone you met in a multiplayer game, this View menu is one of the easiest places to start. And that's it. You now know two simple ways to check recent players on Steam, one through the Steam overlay while in-game, and one through the desktop client using the View menu. If this video helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick Steam tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.